Time for a look at the weather, what the weather has in store. Here's Helen.
Nina, it's a small change gradually taking place to a big change, I think. After all the warm and sunny weather, we've got some rain by Tuesday, as I mentioned earlier, for all of us. But so let's enjoy at the moment what's happening here in Cardiff. Beautiful sunny skies. Similarly so in Cornwall at the moment. In fact, there's barely a cloud in the sky, except in the north of Scotland. We've got a bit of high cloud just drifting into northern England. We've got a little bit of fog around the Llŷn Peninsula in Wales as well. But this is actually giving us a little bit of rain across the far north and northern Isles of Scotland. For most, though, it's plain sailing for the rest of the day. Lots and lots of sunshine, strengthening sunshine, warmth once again. We had the warmest day of the year so far yesterday in Northern Ireland and Scotland. We might not quite get there today, but not far shy. I think further south is where we'll see the highest temperatures. And unfortunately, the flip side of that coin is very high levels of tree pollen currently across much of England and Wales, and that's not going away even tomorrow. Now, as we go through the evening and overnight, our rain band in the north actually moves away, so it's going to be a chillier night under the starry skies in Scotland. Some sea fog developing around the Irish Sea coast elsewhere. In the south, probably not quite as chilly, the southwest as last night, because we've got those changes afoot. But generally, a chilly start tomorrow morning with a little bit of mist and fog around. Lots of sunshine again across central east areas. Across the north of Scotland, a drier, sunnier day to come here, but gradually cloudier skies invade across the southwest, across Wales, with some showers moving eventually into Northern Ireland. We'll have the sea fog on the east coast here initially as well. Some showers for parts of southwest Scotland, northwest England potentially as well. Not for all, it's not going to be a washout, but it will be different to today. And so here is where we'll see the slight drop in temperature whilst it's still warm further east. And still, as I mentioned earlier, some very high levels of tree pollen across England and Wales, and high for Scotland, most of Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. Through tomorrow evening and overnight, those showers drift their way northwards and eastwards, so many of us could see some rain through the night, just a light dampening of the ground, but for some we haven't seen it for 3 weeks. So it will be milder tomorrow night. And then on Sunday, once that all clears away, reasonable start to the day. Again, dry, bright, some sunshine, but the showers then start to come in, particularly across the western side of the UK. And they could be heavier on Sunday with some hail and thunder in. Wintry over the top of the hills, and look at the temperatures, just 11 to 13. Still into the high teens further south, but quite a difference, I think you'll agree. Nina.
It was nice while it lasted. Helen, thank you.